Suppose I have this string s which is equal to hello world. What will happen if I try to multiply it by some integer? So if I do s star 3, so here we can see this string is repeated thrice. Now if I want to do this with some float value, what will happen? So in this case, we got a type error which states we can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. So it means we cannot multiply this string by float values. If we want to do it, then we can use only integers. So after using the integer, it will repeat the string for the specified number of time, which was 3 in the above case. Now if I try to divide it by some integer, what will I get? So in this case also I have got the type error, which means you cannot divide the string with any integer.